Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. If you're looking for a GMC pickup, this might be it. This is the 1500. Stock number is 7366. Let's show you this vehicle in a video form. Take notice of the exterior driver's side condition, and we're going to get an ample view right there. It does have the tonneau covering tow package. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection, four-wheel drive, of course. Comes equipped with a backup camera, Bluetooth, fully loaded, and a Carfax clean history report. Also, this vehicle qualifies for oil changes for life at no extra cost to you. Take notice of the rear interior. If you're traveling with friends or family, ample legroom. And we're going to show you the front end here as well. Warranty protection for life at no extra cost to you. That is peace of mind driving. You just get more right here at Sunset Ford. If you're interested in this truck or any other vehicles in our inventory, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you and hopefully earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.